Chapter 12, Present Tense Subjunctive continued. The present tense subjunctive is also used in expressing wishes, polite requests, and polite questions. And I'm going to give you some examples. Mögen, möchte. Mögen, to like. Möchte indicates that you would like to have something. So it's a polite way of saying that you want something. So, ich möchte eine Tasse Kaffee. I would like to have a cup of coffee. Anytime you ask someone for something, you would say ich möchte. Yeah? Not ich will, I want to. You say ich möchte. Ich wäre gern zu Hause. It comes from the verb to be, wäre. Ich wäre gern zu Hause. That means basically I wish I were. Yeah? I would like to be home. I wish I were home. Ich wüsste gern, wo die Beethovenstraße ist. Ich wüsste gern. I wish I knew. Yeah? I'd like to know. I wish I knew where Beethoven Street is. So these are some examples of using a subjunctive in asking for things, in wishing for something that is not real. Okay. In polite requests, you use the subjunctive also. For example, könnten Sie mir sagen, could you please tell me, wo der Zoo ist, where the zoo is? Könnten Sie mir sagen, could you please tell me? Hättest du Lust, in die Disco zu gehen? Would you feel like going to the disco? Lust haben means to feel like doing something. So hättest du Lust, would you feel like doing something? Hättest du ein Buch über Mathematik? Would you happen to have a book about math? Hättest du? Dürfte ich fragen, was meine Note ist? Would I be allowed to find out what my grade is? Would I be allowed to ask what my grade is? Hättest du Zeit für mich? Would you possibly have time for me? Hättest du Zeit für mich? Wärst du so nett und würdest mich anrufen? Would you be so kind and would you please call me? Or in English we would say, would you please be so kind to call me? Könnten Sie mir helfen? Could you please help me? So these are all examples in the subjunctive where you politely request information or politely express what you would like to do. And these all use the present tense subjunctive.